Today we'll compare the Bosch GCM12SD, their new range-topping 12-inch miter saw selling for a staggering $799, to the DEWALT DWS780, which sells for $599, and try to answer the question, what do you actually get for those 200 extra bucks? Bosch says you get an expanded cutting capacity, but that capacity is still less than the DEWALT in every orientation, vertical, horizontal, and nested crown. And their vertical capacity is on the left side only. They cut 5.5 inches on the right. Bosch also boasts about their stainless steel miter scale, but their actual miter detents where the work gets done are made of plastic. In addition, they only have 5 bevel detents compared to our 9. Having these additional detents allows for better accuracy and speed when cutting those angles. Ease of use is another area where DEWALT really shines over Bosch. The Bosch is heavy and bulky, 65 pounds and 4 inches taller than the DWS780, making it much harder to carry. Also, as you can see from this demo, changing the blade on the Bosch takes significantly longer. The obvious difference in the Bosch saw is the linkage used to replace the tried and true rail system. While it delivers smooth slide action, there are some significant drawbacks. The linkage and its action creates a number of pinch points where cords, scrap material, or even fingers could get caught. It also introduces a large number of joints. Each joint contributes some flex and movement, and they all add up to reduce overall stiffness of the arm, whether retracted or slid all the way out. This is important because as a user pushes through a cut, particularly in harder materials, the saw needs to back the user up to minimize blade deflection and arm rail deflection and deliver a consistent straight cut. Too much flex in this area can lead to curved cuts and poorly fitting joints. So if you're in the market for a more expensive, heavier, bulkier tool with less cutting capacity, a more difficult blade change, and fewer bevel detents, go for the Bosch GCM12SD. If you want a durable, easy-to-use tool that delivers the performance you expect, the choice is clear: DEWALT DWS780.